You want to upload an Excel file in Google Drive and edit it, so let's do it right now. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If Drive asks you to sign in now, you'll land on your Drive home. Click the plus new button in the top left corner. A menu drops down. Choose File Upload. Your computer's file picker opens. Now before you pick the file, check the name in the file picker, because if a file with that same name is already in Drive, Drive will not overwrite it. It uploads a second copy and adds a 1. I always check first because that duplicate cleanup is not the job I want after upload. If your file is sitting in Downloads, click Downloads on the left side of the file picker, or use the search box in the top right if you don't remember the folder. Find your Excel file, for example the one called Quarterly Budget. Select it and click Open. The upload starts and you'll see a progress panel in the bottom right with the file name. Wait for it to finish. If the file has a lot of formulas, the progress panel may stay on processing for a few extra seconds. That's normal, not a freeze. Once the upload finishes, the file appears in your Drive list with an Excel icon next to it. That icon matters. If yours already shows a green Sheets icon, your account has the Convert Upload setting turned on, and you can skip the next step. Now double-click that Excel file. A preview opens. You can see the whole spreadsheet here, but do not try to type anything. This preview is read only, and this is where most people get stuck, because the screen looks editable, but the pointer won't even land in a cell. I never trust this preview to edit anything. Look for the Open with Google Sheets button at the top of the screen, right above the grid. Click it. A new tab opens and loads the same workbook in Google Sheets. The top left shows the file name, and the top right shows a small Office file badge. That badge means Sheets is still keeping this in the Excel format in Drive, not creating a separate copy. That's good because your original file stays in the same place. One limitation here, if your workbook has macros, Google Sheets won't run them. You'll still see the data, but any buttons wired to macros won't work. Now click the cell you want to change. For example, click the cell with the monthly total. Type 1,200 and press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, watch the top right next to the file name. You'll see Saving, then Save to Drive. No Save button. That autosave is the whole reason to open an Excel file this way. I always watch for that message because if it ever says Can't Save, you know the file probably lost its connection to Drive. Try changing another cell, maybe the quarter label. The same Save message appears. If you edit a formula cell, the result recalculates immediately. You can even add a new row under the data, and the row numbers fill in instantly. Click the empty cell under the last row, type a new value, and press Enter. Sheets pulls the formatting down automatically. When you're finished and you need a copy back in Excel, stay right here in Sheets, click File, then Download, then Microsoft Excel. That exports your edits as a fresh Excel file on your computer, and you can open it in Excel the normal way. If someone else needs to work on this with you, click the green Share button at the top right, type their email, and set them as editor. That lets them edit the same sheet in their browser without making multiple copies. If you ever need to undo a whole session of wrong edits, go to File, Version History, and see Version History. Sheets has saved every change, and you can restore an earlier version from the list on the right. One more thing. If you decide you want this as a native Google Sheet, click File, Save as Google Sheets. Google Drive creates a separate Sheets file without touching the Excel original. I do this when I need comments in suggestion mode because those are better in the native format. If this got you moving, give it a like. Subscribe if you want more straight-to-the-point walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments push this to other people searching the same thing.